We're at Goodwood with Project 8. We've been working on this car for the last 18 months, honing it into the track-ready 600 PS all-wheel drive weapon. The keys are in it. Go and have as much fun as you can.
XE Project 8. Has loads of grip. Oh my goodness.
It's very well balanced from where I'm sat.
Feel the acceleration, the torque.
Feels absolutely planted. It also rides the undulations very, very well.
The braking is just fantastic. The feel that you get in the brake pedal, the feedback. Wow. Yeehaw! That was marvelous. Well, I must say that it's my first drive in the Project 8, and it is everything that SVO has been talking about. It's a really agile car. It's beautiful to drive.
Right, you ready?
Yep. Ready when.
That sounds fantastic, doesn't it, when you pull it away? It's not short of horsepower.
600 horsepower, I mean, it just accelerates, it goes. When you upshift through the gears, you feel how quick and responsive that is?
It does, it responds when you want it.
And it feels like a true manual. Boom.
I'll tell you what, that's an amazing car. When you think this is road legal, most road legal cars on the track are a massive disappointment, but this is really something. That truly is amazing, absolutely incredible. The way it puts the power down and the way it gives you the feeling that you know what's going to happen next, it's just incredible.
I'm excited, I want another go.